Hey everyone, so now I'm Terra, as you can tell, and so now I just have to grab my money, and I'm off to Quick Trip, and this is the 4th cosplay in public video I've done. So I hope Quick Trip likes it. So we'll be back when I'm outside and have my money. See you there. Alright, I'm back. And we're off to Quick Trip. But this time as Terra, my earth goddess. And she's the motherly earth goddess. Pam!
Oh, you're beautiful.
I'm my earth goddess, Terra.
That's beautiful, honey. Very nice.
I had to because it's the first day of spring.
That's right. That's a good one. That's right. Right.
That was just my neighbor Pam. So we are off to Quick Trip. What a nice day to do this. It's a nice day to do this. And I'm betting that Quick Trip will love her. So I'll see you guys when I hit Mason Street. Alright, so I'm back and we are on Mason Street now. So I'm heading to Quick Trip. I know in all of these videos I go to Quick Trip as characters just because I'm comfortable. I'm just comfortable there, showing off my cosplays. And plus, they like my cosplays. They like seeing me dressed up like this. Yeah, I had to let this arm rest because it was the one holding the phone. So you know what I could have used for this? I could have used my selfie stick, but we're almost there anyway. So no use in going back. I'm heading back. Alright, we are at Quick Trip. Got the thumbnail. If you were noticing that I paused, I was just getting the thumbnail. I absolutely love Terra. And the reason why I chose Terra today is because it's the first day of spring, and so I just wanted to bring her out on the first day of spring. So now we are just walking up. I'll see you inside. Alright, we're inside now. I'm Terra, my earth goddess.
Always look over your head, Muses.
I'm Terra, my earth goddess.
What's that?
I'm Terra, my earth goddess.
There you go. Good for you.
And plus I brought her out because it's the first day of spring.
That's right.
So
You're smart.
I
Smile on everybody's face.
brought Terra to life again.
There you go.
And this time I did makeup,
Very nice.
but in greens. I'm here to chat. I'm here to get stuff. Get lunch shoes. I go get a basket. Hello.
Cookie. Drinks are over here.
Excuse me.
Okay, so they're like these waters that have like
Excuse me.
yeah, they're like juice waters.
Excuse me.
Oh, you want like
Let's leave it. I feel like I should get my favorite ones. I will get 3 of them. Get another orange juice. Put it in the cart basket. Hello.
Good morning. No, good afternoon. This
I'm an earth goddess.
well, you're not sure.
Yeah, I'm an
Spring.
yeah, I'm an earth goddess.
Have you seen how many? Well, you probably won't know. Male people, family carries. They were working on our t-shirts, shorts. Very nice outfit.
Thank you. That's definitely gonna get copyrighted, so I'm gonna just probably don't all of this will be copyrighted. You know what? I'll get another one of these. I love this one. Alright, got my stuff, and now we're heading to the checkout. Now we're just waiting in line. Food. I don't know why I'm like this. What? I'm just weird. A weird one. I'm allowed to be weird. We're all allowed to be weird. A bit weird. I'll see you when I'm up there. I'm up at the couch.
You look gorgeous.
Thank
I
you.
love your makeup. You did a great job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Right. Reward?
Yeah.
What, 14.70? Sure. Would you like to see?
No thanks. You can put that in the bag.
Sure.
Do you want to take a picture of me?
I can't right now. I don't have my phone. We can't have our phones on us. But you look adorable, hon. Well, see you later. Take care, hon.
I had my phone propped up on the lighters.
Nice. Take care. Hello.
I almost. Alright, now we're heading out. Now we're heading home. We only spent like $14.97 on the 3 bubblers, the 1 orange juice, and the 1 pasta salad. So now we're on our way home. I loved her. They loved her. Oh my god. They loved her. I didn't see why they wouldn't. Besides, this is the first time of spring. And I'll see you when I'm on my street. I'm on my street now, and so like what I said off camera, but because was that this was the second out of the four the four goddesses, elemental goddesses I've done a cosplay in public for, and all of my cosplays, Collective absolutely loved them. I already did Flo, Maria, and who was the other one? Coco, my winter witch. So yeah, I'll see you when I get home. So I'm home now, so I will see you upstairs for the haul. Alright, so I'm back up here in my room now. So like I said, I would do a haul of what I got from Quick Trips. So starting with a large bottle, a 32 fluid ounce bottle of orange juice, a thing of Alaskan crab salad, the fruit punch bubbler. This flavor is so good, by the way. Then we got the watermelon lime smasher. Then lastly, I got the orange dream freezer. All five items I got today were under like 40, not 40, 20 bucks, no, 15 bucks. It was under, I kept it all under 15 bucks. So, on to the outro. So, I hope you guys like the video. I hope you like, comment, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. And tell me one thing that one flavor of bubbler, if you ever drank a bubbler before, what flavor is your favorite one? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!